How are you doing today? I want us to talk about how to avoid back pain, that is waist pain at old age. Please, if you really want to maintain good posture at your old age, I would like you to listen very well. The first thing you have to do is to engage yourself in some exercise. Engage yourself in some exercise. Do you know that the more you do exercise, the regular you do exercise, the more you help your posture? Okay, so you that is a woman, try and be doing some exercise so that the old age you will not feel it. No, many a times women usually suffer waist pain, so that is why I went in research of it to really know what to do so that I can tell our women out there and they will do it to avoid all this waist pain at old age. So try and do exercise, okay? Then the second one is good diet. Try and eat good food. Yes, it helps. It really helps. Eat good food, balanced diet. So more of vegetable food and fruits. Try and take them very well. Vegetables and fruits, they are very good for our health. It helps to reduce back pain. And you that is eating too much red meat at your old age, please reduce it. It is not good at all. Okay, and another thing that will help you to reduce back pain at old age is the intake of calcium and vitamin D. Yes, it really helps. Calcium, the food you can eat the foods that gives calcium and also vitamin D. You understand, it really helps. Like calcium, you can get that from leafy greens, yogurt and milk. Vitamin D, you can get that from cheese, fatty fish and so on. So it's very good for us to know all these things. And another thing that will help you to avoid this waist pain, this back pain, is maintain good posture. What I mean by maintain good posture is when you're standing, stand straight. When you sit properly. When you want to relax very well. Okay, all those things, it helps to avoid waist pain at old age. So you that is still young, you can really deal on your own. Maintain good posture, okay? And all these people that usually give themselves steps while walking, well, that one is usually seen in guys. Some girls are still involving themselves on it. They'll be walking, they will like to give themselves some kind step. You'll see some, they'll be walking and be raising their one side will be going up. All those things, it really affects. Okay, so if you are a type that does that, I will advise you to please stop it for your own good at old age. Another thing I want us to know is our shoes, our slippers. If you're a type that wears sleepless slippers, please, when you're wearing it, be very careful. All this folly, it also helps, but this one is usually seen when you are old. If you are old, don't wear sleepless slippers, you understand, so that you will not fall. Because research says that when an elderly person fall, it's recovering is usually difficult. And when the person recover, sometimes it will leave a mark. That means the person may be finding it difficult to walk very well. Okay, so sleepless slippers should be avoided at old age. And shoes, high heels, too much high heels also affects our waist. Okay, so when you're wearing too much high heel, know that it may affect you. So our advice, when you want to wear a high heel, wear the one that is comfortable on your leg, and you can go for short range of heel. It's still okay. Okay, so that you will not see all these things at your old age. And another thing that I discover that causes this back pain at old age is smoking. Too much smoking. Please, I will advise you, if you are a type that smokes, because most ladies smokes, if you're a type that smokes, please quit. Okay? And too much intake of alcohol, please quit. If you cannot quit, reduce it, but I will advise you to quit. As a child of God, you don't need all this. You understand? Please quit smoking and too much alcohol and alcohol. All right. Another thing that can also make one to be having back pain at old age is your sleeping posture, the way you sleep. It is advisable when you want to sleep with your side. Okay, so if you really want to sleep with your front, please help yourself by using pillow. You understand? So that you can relax very well. Stop relaxing with your abdomen on the floor, on the bed. Use pillow. Make use of pillow. Okay, it also helps when you sleep side. It really helps so that you not be disturbing your back. Another thing is stretching your body. Understand? If you're a type that your work is always sitting and sitting, please, I will advise you, if you sit at a while, you just stand up and do some stretch, go up and down, then come back and sit again, so you can help your waist. Okay, it affects our waist. Too much sitting, maybe your work is computer work or other works that require sitting and be doing. Please help yourself by standing sometime. At least you stand a little while, you stretch your waist, then you walk up and down, you now sit down and continue your work. Okay, if you can be doing all these things at your old age, you will not feel it like that. Okay, you will not feel it. There are some people I will be saying they will be working very well at their old age, and if you ask them their age, 75, 80, they are still standing firm. You understand? Standing very well, working very well. So if you can really apply all those things, you will really help yourself and do yourself very good at old age. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to share this video, leave some comments, good comments, and if you have any issues you want us to talk about or deal with, please leave it on the comment box. Please don't forget to share this video. I love you all. Share, keep sharing. Thank you so much.